Welcome back everyone. You may be experiencing some issues when it comes down to your PlayStation 4 HDMI port not working. Now this can be fixed with a couple of different, options, but typically, believe it or not, it may not even be your PlayStation 4 HDMI port that's not working. It could be the cord itself. So the best thing to do in this specific case is to grab another HDMI cord that you may have laying around and actually go and, replace your specific cord with a newer one. Typically if you have another, gaming console or a streaming device or something, all these things do use the HDMI cord. So your best bet is to actually go ahead and try a different HDMI cord. And at this point, it should end up fixing itself. The cord maybe have been the problem. And if you notice that your HDMI cord is now working or your PS4 is now working with your TV, then you know it's the HDMI cord that was faulty and you can go ahead and just get a new one or just keep using that same one. Now, if that doesn't end up being the issue, then what you can do is make sure you're on the right input for your TV. Either your TV or your monitor may actually be on a different input. So you basically want to go ahead and change those out per your settings. And sometimes it may not even be the port on your PlayStation 4 that's the issue. It may even be the TV, the monitor that you're using. It may be that port on that device. So what you can do in this case is actually go ahead and use a different port on your TV or clean out that specific port and make sure that port on your TV is working. As long as that TV is working and it's not faulty on that specific HDMI port, then again, you know that it's not that port that's the problem, and you can probably rule out that the cord is not the problem at this point either. So go into your HDMI port on your PlayStation 4 and make sure there's not a lot of gunk in it. Make sure it doesn't have a bunch of dust and debris around it. You can even get kind of like a small vacuum if you may have one, and make sure it's on the lowest sucking setting basically. And you can even try, kind of taking out dust that way too. I've seen that work a couple of times, and I would recommend try booting that up again, and you may actually be able to go through and get it working. And if none of these things are working yet, I would recommend trying your PlayStation 4 with a different monitor. If that still doesn't work at this point, then what I would recommend doing is booting your PlayStation 4 up in safe mode or restarting your PlayStation 4, leaving it unplugged for about 30 seconds, and then plugging it back in and try booting up your PlayStation 4 again. There are times where sometimes the sensors within the PlayStation 4 just don't boot up properly, so you may have to have it, rest out a little bit and try booting it back up and see if your PlayStation 4 boots up on the display now. So that's really pretty much it. Those are like the main ways to go about fixing it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly, everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.